In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download view-only protected PDF files. Before we start, a quick note. This walkthrough is for educational purposes, so you can save documents you're legitimately allowed to access, like class materials or work files you need offline. Always respect copyright, website terms of use, and privacy rules when handling any digital document. To begin, open your web browser and head over to a search engine. In the search bar, type in "How to download view-only protected PDF files" and press enter. This phrase will bring up a range of guides, tools, and explanations related to saving PDFs that are normally locked to view-only mode in the browser. On the search results page, you'll see several links, videos, and help articles. Take a moment to scan the results carefully. Look for reputable sources, like well-known tech forums, established tutorial sites, or community discussions with good feedback. Avoid anything that looks suspicious or promises hacking, cracking, or breaking into private documents. Those are red flags and can be unsafe or illegal. Click on a result that clearly explains methods focused on things like printing to PDF, using built-in browser tools, or working with documents you already have permission to download. Many legitimate guides will walk you through options such as using the browser's print dialog to save as PDF, or using official export or download buttons that might be hidden in the interface. As you follow along with any guide, make sure your browser is up to date. An updated browser often has better built-in support for viewing and saving PDFs. Also, keep an eye out for warnings in the guide itself. If a method suggests disabling important security features, installing unknown extensions, or running untrusted programs, it's best to back out and choose a safer approach. When you find a method that works for you, test it first on a non-sensitive document, like a sample PDF or a file you created yourself. This helps you confirm that the process is safe and behaves as described before you use it on anything important. Finally, remember to store any downloaded PDFs securely. If the document contains sensitive or private information, consider saving it in an encrypted folder or a trusted cloud service with proper access controls. And that's the basic process. Search the web for methods to download view-only protected PDFs, carefully choose a trustworthy guide, and apply it only to documents you're authorized to save.